Oyaore. Today we shall talk about fruits and vegetables. Welcome to the channel. Pineapple is MANANAS. MANANAS. If you need a pineapple, you say MIYA MANANAS. MAEMBE Mango is MAEMBE. MAEMBE. If you need a mango, you say MIYA MAEMBE. Orange is machunga. MIYA machunga. Popo, apoyo. Apoyo. MIYA apoyo. Banana is RABOLO. RABOLO. MIYA RABOLO. MIYA RABOLO. Passion is just passion. MIYA passion. Lemon is ndim. Ndim. MIYA ndim. Cabbage is angina. Angina. MIYA angina. Carrots is KARAT. KARAT. MIYA KARAT. Onion, kitungu. Kitungu. MIYA kitungu. Tomato is nyanya. Nyanya. MIYA nyanya. Beans is oganda. Oganda. Atedo oganda. Oganda. Atedo oganda. Atedo oganda. Eggs, tong. Tong. MIYA tong. Lentils, OLAYO. OLAYO. Akomo OLAYO. Watermelon, AFUOTO. AFUOTO. MIYA AFUOTO. MIYA AFUOTO. Arrowroots, nduma, nduma, MIYA, nduma. Lemongrass is majan loom chai, majan loom chai. MIYA, majan loom chai. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please subscribe for more. See you tomorrow. Goriti. Goodbye.